वेलकम बैक टू ब्लॉक्टिकल। आज हम पर्टिकुलर सीरीज जो मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में आपको डिस्कस करी थी उसका लेक्चर 1 देखने वाले हैं। सो दिस इज काइंड ऑफ ए वीडियो 1, ओके, दैट विल टेल यू द बर्थ ऑफ ए प्रॉम्प्ट and how we start talking to machines. So basically, if you are not aware of what is natural language and what is programming language, first go and explore those two things out in detail if you want. But if you want me to explain it to you, okay, then I will give you a brief summary of that. First is programming language. This is a particular language in which users wrote their computer programs, okay, which later on get submitted to a system, and system does a process according to what is written in this program. So this language is known as programming language, in which we are communicating our instructions to the system. Now this can be C, C++, C Sharp, Java, Python, JavaScript, Go, and so on and so forth. Okay, there are lot of programming language available out there in the market. Then there is natural language, which human used to speak to each other. Okay, this is natural language. Now let's start the concept of prompts. Okay, now what is prompts? Because this is a prompt engineering class, so we will definitely going to revolve around prompts. So before this, listen to this particular story, that there was times when machines, okay, these are my machines, this is PC or my mobile device or any supercomputer, okay, any supercomputer, or a back from abacus to calculator to my home PC to my servers, okay, whatever. So this is little bit fictional uh, in those days, when user says something in its own language and machine obediently follows that. Okay, so basically what is happening over here, that human is typing some command in some format. This is programming language, okay, in some programming language. Machines will obey what is written in this programming language, and the thing is that these machines will never understand it. So there is no understanding to the machines in the world of programming language. So what is this? These machines are nothing but basically you can say computers which are called kind of rigid boxes. Okay, those boxes can only understand commands which is written in programming language, or I would say syntax, or I would say code. Okay, so this is what a initial computer system is. Now fast forward to today, what we are able to see is that with ChatGPT or Gemini like systems, people can talk to systems or talk to machines in their humanly language, which is nothing but natural language. They are now commanding the machines in human based structures. So for example, if you talk to Alexa, Okay, you are not writing any command to Alexa. You will say, Alexa, play song, and it will start playing the song. Or you would say, Alexa, play Ragni, or Alexa, tell me a joke. Now think Alexa as a human. So these are the commands you use to talk to a human, like, Tanuj, teach me about something. Tanuj, what is natural language? Tanuj, what is prompt engineering? Now you see that the trigger point for operating on machine moved from programming language to natural language. The idea was that, okay, this is the machine, we want this machine to perform some operations, correct? Now for this, initially we have to write programming language. Now fast forward to today, what we are doing, we are commanding using natural language, commanding using the natural language to this machine, and then machine will operate the same. Got it? So this instruction set, this particular instruction set, which is written in natural language format, is known as prompt. Prompt, or I would say instruction set to machine. Okay. Now there is a exercise I want you to do. Open ChatGPT. Okay. Open ChatGPT. Now say, hey ChatGPT, you need to write this as text. Okay. Summarize a article, or summarize an article in simple terms. Then first, for a 5-year-old, second for a 10-year-old, third for a 25-year-old reader, and paste the link for that article over here. Okay, and hit enter. You need to hit enter. What you are doing, you are submitting this natural language command to a machine, and that machine will summarize the particular given article, summarize this article in 3 formats. What it is doing, it is triggering complex reasoning, okay, using memory and contextual understanding. So why I am saying contextual understanding? Because I am saying that you need to explain it to 5-year-old, 10-year-old, and 25-year-old. That means the frame of reference for each summary is quite different for the machine, right? That means they have to do a lot of reasoning. They have to be contextually understand the understanding of a 5-year-old, 10-year-old, and 25-year-old person. Okay, and after that you need to generate output. Got it? So this entire thing of communicating with a machine in a basic format, which is humanly language, or we called it as natural language, is known as prompt. And the reasoning, how to write it, what need to be instructed to the system, what need to be communicated to the machine, what is the intellectual understanding of the machine, to analyze this and write the prompt in a better format is what we will do in prompt engineering. Got it? Now, the magic of prompt engineering is nothing kind of a hard fit, okay? It is not something which nobody can understand. This is very easy. Now, think it like an art and science of communication. So, what I am telling you now is very obvious that prompt engineering is an art and science of communication. Now, communicating to what? Communicating to the intelligent systems using natural language. Now, this art and science is what I will teach you in this course. So, note it down. If you want that, okay, you want to understand what is prompt engineering and you need a definition to it. The definition is that it is the art and the science of communication with the intelligent systems using natural language. Okay, we will see an example in next video. I guess this video is enough for today. We will see an example in next video and we will continue from there on. If you have any doubt, please comment and let me know in the comment box. So thanks a lot and stay tuned with Block Ticket.